Alrighty then. OBS says we're live. That's good. We're just waiting on YouTube. YouTube says we're live. Alright. Hello, what's going on, everyone? This is 007JK, and we are back with another live stream of the Shiny Hunt for you all. Cheers. Today, oh, yo, I got a notification saying we're live. Sweet. That's so sick. Today, we are doing the Shiny Hunt in Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl, as well as creating a ROM hack. Now, we have been creating ROM hacks in the past, or working on a ROM hack in the past for our own little story. However, Bippity came to me and asked me if she, told me that she wanted to be able to play a Pokemon game, but play through quickly. So I'm going to be taking the Pokemon game Radical Red, which is a modification of Pokemon Fire Red that adds up to Gen 9 Pokemon. And we're going to speed run through it, basically have her teleport to places, cut through places. It's going to be super fast and super sick. Sweet Mustard, hi, hello, Sweet Mustard. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome, welcome. Let's get those emojis going. There you go. First one's always free, and then the second one is for the stream point. Thank you very much for the stream points. Yes, that is a brand new emoji that we added, and I love it. It's one of my favorites. But yeah, we're doing the Shiny Hunt as well as editing Radical Red for my girlfriend Bippity. Let's start off with a poll to see which starter Pokemon you guys want us to Shiny Hunt for. So it's starter question mark, and we'll do that. Then we got Chimchar, we have Turtwig, and then we have Piplup. All right, let's start the poll. You guys decide which starter Pokemon we are shiny hunting for. We will do round robin style, meaning we'll do all of them, just Turtwig, Chimchar, and Piplup until we get a vote in the poll. All right, let's pull up this. Let's pull up this and this. There we go. Okay, all looks good. We have 4 stream points for you guys to spend on anything you guys want. So Yellow Jacket decided to crawl through my vent for no reason. Oh no, that sucks. I am so sorry, dude. I am so sorry. Those things suck. All right, well, it is summertime. I guess it makes sense. All right, looks like we're starting with Turtwig. All right, let's go. All right, so we're going to start off by shiny hunting ourselves some Turtwigs. In the meantime, let's open up this Radical Red file that we have. I've done a little bit of editing. I've done a little bit of tinkering on it thus far. Now you should see them during autumn time. Oh, you know what? That's fair. That's very fair because there are hunting and scavenging during that time. Alright, so right now I've added this little section right here. I've also added this little NPC right here. What I want him to do is to take you into this area. Let's see. There's an NPC that walks. Open script. Let's see. Oh, wait. Turtwig time. Okay, Turtwig time. Turtwig time. Let's see. Do we get the shiny Turtwig? And that means that Starly has really good stats, at least. And does not look shiny to me. Double check. Nope. No sparkle. Okay. That is our first reset of the live stream. So we're going to add one to that one. There we go. Let's add some music, shall we? Let's get some music going here. Let me know if the music is too loud. Actually, that's probably a little too loud. Turn that down a little bit. There we go. Let me know if the background music is too soft or too loud. Okay, so let me see. Hey, wait, don't go out there. Message, pause, close on key press, move player, lock in place, fastest down. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to have him face the player. This NPC right here. Let me open a new tab. Here we go. I'm an NPC. I need to have him face the player. So let's do see. Let me do this. Face player. There we go. Okay. That should, okay, so he should be so he should face the player. And then he should do a dialogue right here. Wait. No time to explain. Wait, hold up. No time to explain. Follow me. No time to explain. Follow me. No time to explain, just follow me. Then we're gonna have him walk. Whoops. Space. Walk. No, space. Okay, walk. Warp walk? No, that's different. Okay. So that's something different. Okay. Okay, alright. We're doing another Turtwig? Okay. Let's open up Turtwig, and here we go! Someone got a shiny Turtwig first try. Really? Yo, that's so sick! Congratulations to them! I've been doing this for over 2,000 tries. I'm just kidding. We've been having a lot of fun with this. We've been having a heck of a lot of fun with the shiny hunts, honestly. So I'm not too jealous, to be honest. I would like a shiny, obviously, but we have fun with the shiny hunts regardless. I wonder what we'll do when the shiny hunts have ended. We gotta find something else to do for Thursdays. Close on key press. Okay, let's do that then. Let's do close on key press. Close on key press. Right there, okay. Pause 30. If temp 1 is 0, section 4, not section 5. Apply movement. Okay. No, move.npc, that's what it is. Move.npc. Okay. Then it's move. .npc moves an overworld NPC with ID NPC according to the specified movement commands in the data pointer. This macro assumes using weight movement 0 instead of weight movement NPC. Okay. Let me look at this one. Move NPC 3 auto. Okay, well, let me go to Palatine here. What NPC number is he? That's probably NPC 2. It's probably NPC 4. So it's let's see. Move NPC 4. Let's try move NPC 4. See what that does. Move NPC 4. Okay. Alright, here we go. I'm currently making a horror game where you're in a forest and you gotta find 7 keys and run away and hide from a giant Pikachu. Oh! You know what? That sounds kind of fun. When you're done with the game, let me know and I will try it out on live stream. If it's PG. If it's PG. Alright, we're trying another Turtwig now. I'm also trying to figure out the code, so I'll be a little distracted today. Okay, no shiny. Let me know if I skip a reset, by the way. It's PG. Awesome. I would love to play that for my channel. Let's do auto. There we go. Move NPC for auto. Okay. And right here, okay, it has brackets. So we got to add some brackets to that. So we got to add. Whoops. Wrong button. Brackets. Okay. So we got to have a move down 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to have him move down 10. So it'll be move. Let's see. What is it? Oh, it's walk. Oh, it's walk. My bad. It's walk is the command. Walk down. Whoops. It's walk down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. W coding. Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. I try. I really try. Hello. Welcome to the live stream. Hi there. Is Shiny Ahind, so no Shiny Chimchar. I don't know, man, but hello and welcome to the live stream. Welcome. We also got a like on the live stream, so it means 2 more emojis. Nice. There we go. We are currently Shiny Hunting, yes, and you did vote for Chimchar. That means we're going to go back and forth between Turtwig and Chimchar. So let me go grab my chair real quick so I can keep track of which one is which. Okay, this will help me save some brain space in my head for the coding and everything so I can keep everything straight, okay? So I have a Bulbasaur and a Charmander. I also have a Squirtle as well. So these are going to represent which one we're going for during any particular reset. So right now, we're going to go for Chimchar, so I'm going to put Charmander up. And then after that, we're going to go for Turtwig, so I'm going to put Bulbasaur up. It's just going to be on my seat over here. So that way, I know which one we're supposed to be going for, and I can just switch it whenever we need to. So currently we're going for Chimchar. So we're going to go here and Chimchar. And now I'm going to switch these two to put my Bulbasaur up front to represent Turtwig. Okay. Let's see if we get ourselves a shiny Chimchar. We've only done 3 resets thus far. So that's not a shiny Chimchar. By the way, please let me know if I've skipped any resets so I can add them. Alrighty then. So now I've had him walk down 10 times. So that would make him, whoops. Right there. So right there. Chimchar fire type and Plup a water type and Turtwig a grass type. True on all 3 accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now he needs to walk left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Walk left 13 times. Okay. So we need to do walk left 13 separate times. So that's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Then we'll have him walk 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Have him walk 5 up. So walk. Alright, we're on Turtwig right now. So you need to have him walk up 5 times. I gotta keep that number in mind. So 5. Okay. Okay, no shiny. Okay, that's another reset Rooney. Okay, and then we're gonna switch these two. There we go. So I know that Chimchar's the next one we're gonna be going for. Okay, we need to walk up 5 times. So do this, Control C, Control V, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Then we're gonna have him face player. No. We're gonna have him face down. Okay. So that should be that he just walks over to there. So we're going to save. And we're going to try and play that. We're going to see how this works. So this is Pokemon Radical Red. Okay, so I need to go to, let's see, Chimchar is next. So that's the next one we're up against. And then switch those. So let's see, do we get a shiny Chimchar? We got another like on the live stream. Let's go. That means we add another stream point and get another emoji. Okay, no shiny Chimchar. Okay, adds another one to there. We add another stream point. Very nice. We got this screaming Kipper. Nice. Very nice. Okay, we got another vote for Turtwig. That means we're going to do only Turtwig from here on out for now. Actually, I'm going to grab my Squirtle just in case. Okay. We're going to be doing just Turtwig for now. But thank you very much for the vote. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, so this, I'm actually going to go to emulation and reset. New game. Name is going to be A. His name is also going to be A. Okay, now before it starts, we're going to switch this. Never mind. I misclicked. Johto, sure. Oh, did I not make that NPC visible? Oh no, he's right here. I'm confused as to why he is right here. Okay. Well, he faces the player, but he doesn't move. I'm a little confused by this. Looks like we got some editing to do. Okay, there's Turtwig. And okay, it's not a shiny. So the reset a Rooney. Okay. All right. So obviously we made some sort of a mistake. Oh, we didn't save, did we? No, we did save. Okay. No difficulty. Easy. Done and done. Nope, I'll just stick with Kanto. Okay. Alright. Looks like we got some stuff to figure out. Okay, so it looks like he does not work right now. Well, no, we'll get him to work eventually. So for now, we'll edit his code a little bit later. So let's see. Right now, his elevation is 3, which means he is on the map. Maybe we move him to... I think it's because we expanded the map a little bit is the reason why he spawns over there. So maybe we put him like right here. Maybe. And I'm going to delete these, the script for these, for now. Actually, no, let's put those back. And I'm going to put rocks around it. Let's see, what kind of rocks can we use in this area? Okay, well, what's a rock surrounded by water? Don't want that. No, I wanted rock on grass. Possibly. I don't know. We'll have to figure something out. Okay, let's see if we get a Turtwig now. Okay, no shiny Turtwig. Okay. It's another reset Rooney. Alright, I'm trying to think of what I want to put there. Actually, no, let's put bushes. There we go. And I'm going to move him to be right there. Now we'll keep him there. I'm going to have him face... Now what about... look around. There we go. We'll have him be looking around. I'm going to go to the script address for him. Face player, message block. No time to explain, just follow me. Close on key press. Let's see. Close on key press, pause 30. Apply movement 3 auto. Set invisible, walk up, set invisible. Move player, walk right, walk up, see invisible. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what I need to do to get this thing to work. This guy to move. Okay, let's see if we get another. Let's see if we get another regular Turtwig, or if this one's actually a shiny Turtwig. Let's see. By the way, you guys are up to 7 stream points if you guys want to spend them on anything. Okay, that's another reset Aroni. Boom. Let's see. Okay. See. It's unsafe. Wild Pokemon live in the tall grass. Okay, close on key press, pause 30. Let's try adding pause 30. Pause 30. Let's try adding pause 30 to it. And then it's pause 30, then set door open, set door change, apply movement. Set door close. Set bar flag. Wait state, release all. Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, Cookie. Welcome to livestream. Welcome, welcome. Wow, this coding stuff's kind of hurting my head a bit. Yeah, that's fair. Alright, next one's another Hisuian Arcanine one. Ooh, I love those ones. Okay. Pause 30, move NPC 4. Maybe he's not NPC 4. So let's try playing for a little bit. And hold up, we're going to reset. Start a new game, yada yada yada. Okay. Alright, let's see if the Turtwig is in fact shiny. We got 3 votes for Turtwig, alright. Let's go for Turtwig. Let's go. Okay, no Sparkle. Okay. No shiny Turtwig. So let's keep going. I need to click on this. Switch to my name. Okay. It was green. Difficulty is easy. Done, done. Okay. We want shinies, we want shinies, we want shinies. Well, we're trying to find them. We're not finding them, but we're trying to find them. Oh, also forgot to say, I got a new recommendation. Roblox recommendation. Oh, okay, cool. What is it? Let's walk downstairs. Which, doesn't matter what region. Okay. There's no NPC right there. Is he over here then? Yeah, he's right here. Okay. Good to know. Okay. You can catch a shiny Baneri and a shiny Pachirisu. We already have Baneri written down. I don't know if we have Pachirisu. We have a large list of Pokemon you guys want us to shiny hunt for. No guarantees we'll shiny hunt any of them, but they're just a list of Pokemon that you kind of want to see us shiny hunt for. Try out Blocktails. It's like Paper Mario, but it's old Roblox based, which the game is really fun and I would recommend it. Okay, give me a second. Alright, so it's called Block Tails. Block Tails in Roblox. Okay, I have it written down. I will check it out, see if we can do it this Friday. We'll see. That Turtwig wasn't shiny, was it? It's the correct number of resets, I believe. Yep. Just double check to see if it's shiny. It is not shiny. Okay, so give me a second to re-pull up everything. Okay. Not a shiny Turtwig. And we'll add one more to the reset counter. Okay. Thank you for the recommendation. I will look it up. Okay, let's see. On the map, which NPC would count as NPC 4? ID 1. It was ID 1. Okay. So he's NPC 1. Okay. So then, can I put him like, say, right here? Perhaps? Will he stay there is the question. Will he actually stay there? We'll play it as normal for now. Doesn't matter. We're just seeing if the NPC is there or not. He's still not there. And he still spawns over here. And he just walks off the map. Okay. Well, that's not where I'm putting the NPC. So I don't know why it keeps automatically putting him over there. It keeps setting his XY to 515. And I'm not sure why. Look around. Range is 3x3. Trainer type. Berry ID. Script address flag. Well, that's working. But it keeps spawning him in the bush. And I don't like that it keeps spawning him over there. So I have an idea. Let's start over. I have a fresh version of Radical Red. So we're going to go to my safety folder. Take this modified one and put it in there. Okay. And then we're going to reopen up the Pokemon editor. Do that. Put you back up there. Can you catch Shiny Baneri? Okay. We have Shiny Baneri up there, yeah, like I said. Let me look at Hex. Hex Maniac, there we go. Okay. So this is a fresh version of Fire Red. Okay, let's go here. Turtwig. What ID is she? She's ID 1. Maybe we have to change its ID. Turtwig, okay. Not a shiny Turtwig. There we go, okay. So add another one there, and let's keep going, okay. So I just need to add another NPC. NPC. And I want him to look like a scientist. This guy right here. So let's put him right here. I want him to just be looking around. Okay. Grab this bush right here. Nope. Want the bush. There we go. Okay. Now, this world is too dangerous. Follow me. This world is too dangerous. Follow me. Okay. Let's see if this will work. Okay, we got to get through the intro. What are you trying to do right now? Right now, I'm trying to create an NPC that will walk over to a separate area and bring you with him so they can then explain this is a faster version of this game that you can play, kind of thing. If that makes sense. Because I'm trying to create a ROM hack for my girlfriend Bippity so that she can play play through a Pokemon game several times. Is it green? Yes, it's green. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay. No preference. Okay. Now, I cannot leave Pallet Town. This world is too dangerous. Follow me. Okay. So far, that's working. So I'm going to go file. No, I'm going to go here, save. And it's saved. Okay. Now we exit out of that. Okay. Let's try editing this guy so that he will walk certain distances. His ID is 6. Okay. Let's go to his script here. Message trainer. Okay. Follow me. Okay. So now I want to look at this script. So open a new tab. That's the wrong script. Okay. Alright. Maybe instead of doing player exclamation mark, I do the NPC exclamation mark. Okay. So let's see. We're still doing Chimchar or Turtwig, not Chimchar, Turtwig, my bad. Okay. Let's see if we get a shiny Turtwig. Shiny turtle! Shiny turtle! Give me the shiny turtle, please. No, thank you. That's not shiny. Okay. Alright, that adds another one. Okay. Emote exclamation mark. That's it. Emote exclamation mark. Okay, we'll do move NPC. With that one. Okay. So we'll do up here. Not cry. Move dot NPC 6 auto. There we go. And then let me see the script. So let's see. Sound SE pin. We'll do sound SE pin. Sound SE pin. There we go. Sound SE pin. Move NPC auto. Emote exclamation mark. Okay. Okay. Emote exclamation mark. Okay. Let's see if that works. Just to see. That works! The world is too dangerous, follow me! Perfect. Let me see if it plays the audio. Okay. That's working. Okay. We got 5 views! Plus 1 up! Let's go! Plus 1 up! Let's go! Okay. Then we're gonna, after it tells you to do that, Close on key press. Pause 30. Okay. Close on key press. Pause 30. Pause 30. Then we're going to do move. Oh my gosh, I forgot to announce that we are live in the Discord. I greatly apologize. So, at stream ping. We are live with the Shiny Hunt. Okay. I totally forgot. I even got the notification and everything. And I still totally forgot to share it on the Discord. My apologies. There we go. There, it's been announced in the Discord. Awesome Sauce Films. There we go. Okay. Let's do Turtwig now. Let's see if we get a shiny Turtwig. We're already like, what, 13 resets in? Yeah, about 13 resets in. Okay. That is not a shiny Turtwig. Okay. Okay, let's add another one there. Okay. Move him. So I'm going to save right now. Then I'm going to do move dot npc 6 auto. Okay. And that should allow him to move. Okay, we want him to walk say down. Right click, okay. We'll say so you can talk to him from here or from here. Say right one. No. Is there something that's like walk until? Okay, let's go here. Let's see if we can get 2415. Actually, hopefully we don't get to 2415. Hopefully we actually get a shiny Pokemon here. I forgot. Don't be pressing those buttons because they're a lot louder. Okay. Not a shiny. Okay. Alright. That's another reset of Rooney. Okay. So if I walk down to... down to here, esque. We're not going to be doing that. Okay. Let's just have them walk down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just have them walk down 14, we'll say. Let's say walk down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. It's only 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 15, 14. Okay, 1, 2. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We only want him to walk down 14. Okay. Let's try playing it and just see what happens. Okay. Every time you talk to him, he moves down. That's funny. That's really funny. Okay. In that case, let's do when you step on a certain location. He will appear. Let's have you walk with him as well, I feel like. Let's try and figure out how to have you walk with him. Okay. Not a shiny Turtwig, okay. Alright. Well, we're getting there. We're learning. We're learning. Okay. So, let's see. His elevation is 3. I don't know. Can I change his elevation? Do... change? No. Not sure how to do that. Let's see, non-NPC item trainer, market, trade, tutor, legendary, HM object. How do I add an object script that if when you walk on it, it triggers? Because this is... So that script's open already. Let's do set. Let's do... what should we call this? NPC set var NPC to equal 1. I guess we can do, what, temp 0 to equal 1. Temp 0. Just 1? Is that it? Okay. In that case, let's do NPC. Nope, it wants us to use one of the temps. Let's do temp 0 then. Set var temp 0, 1. Then at the top we'll do if temp 0 equals 1, go to the second section. It means you've already talked to him once. Okay. It's not a shiny. So we add another reset counter. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Alright. Well, let's see right here. Right here. If temp 0 is equal to 1, not if 1, just if temp 0, condition pointer, condition pointer, if gender I guess we'll do if F1. If temp equals 1, go to... No, I don't think that is working all that well. Okay. Huh. This is a little bit tricky to... Hey! The bot notified everyone! Like 10 minutes after I did. Let's go. Geez, this is a little bit tricky to figure out. So, I need to do an if. So, let me look at this one then. Let's see. Set var temp 1 equals 1. Okay. This stupid bug. Let me look at this one's script real quick. If compare. Oh, let's do this. It's if.compare.goto. Okay. So it's if.compare go to. Okay, the variable is temp 0 is equal to 1. Then we are going to go to section 1. Did that work? No, dang it, I don't think it's working. Bug! Get away from me. My goodness. Let me hurt my wrist just by swatting you away. Temp 0 is equal to 1. Section 1. Okay, there we go. Okay. So down here we're going to do some different. Let me see. Does it have different sections? Yeah, section 1. So we're going to label it. It's going to be section 1. Right there. Okay. Then we're going to do message box NPC. Let's see. 6. Message box NPC 6 auto. Get rid of the auto then. NPC 6. Auto. Why is that in red? Why is that not working? It's literally the exact same thing as this right here. That's movements NPC. Oh, just message NPC. It's not. Oh, okay. I see. I see. This world is too dangerous. Follow me. And I'm just going to put look for now. I'm going to save. And we're going to try and play and see how this works out. Okay. Oh, it just says look. Okay. Look. Okay. All right. So we got to move me as well. So let's see what this says. Move player. Okay. I'm going to do pause. Say 30. I'm going to do move player auto. Just one less down. Save. And play. Okay. So, if we talk to this guy, the world's too dangerous, follow me. Okay. Okay, I'm not just on top of him, so we want to go one less for the player. Okay. All right. That bug is really starting to annoy the absolute crap out of me. I'm 2 seconds away from getting disinfectant, just spraying the air where he is, making him fall so I can actually get him. All right. So now that we have that, let's save and let's try playing that. Okay. This world is too dangerous. Follow me. Okay. We wait for him to reach his destination and then we follow. Look. And he just says look. I mean, that's good. That's what we want. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get ourselves a shiny turtwig. Let's see. And not quite. All right. Add one. That stream point K. So we got that. We move player down. Let me go back to the town map here. Okay. So I'm going to copy that and put that right there. So the only way you can talk to him is from right there. And he will walk through you. I wish I could do this differently, though. Like, if I could have a trigger right there, and the trigger's not just talking to him, like a platform that you step on, and he starts talking to you, that would be huge. But I don't know how to get if I could get a platform right there, then he'd walk around the house and down to here, I think. Wall, wait, elevator. What does that do? I'm just curious. Doesn't do anything, okay. Undo that. Okay. Let me look at his script right now, because he just walks down. He'll walk through you. What if I have him walk... right, down, left. Let's do that. Left. There we go. Okay. Let me save that. And this right here, right there. Okay, now let's do this one right here. Edit block. Behavior. Let's see. Pond, puddle, ice. Wall north. Train is normal, encounter is normal. Oh, it's slide north. Never mind. Okay. I need a to be wall. I want it to be a wall, so you can't walk into that square. Pull down. It's like a trash bin. Say that. Elevation 3 wall. There we go. Elevation 3 wall. Right there and right there. Okay. Now you can't... Now there's an invisible wall there that you shouldn't be able to pass through. So let's try this. Okay. All right, let me reset the emulation. New game, yada yada yada. Here we go. Here's the name. Green. I'm okay with radical red thus far. No special starter. Okay. Okay, yeah, right there. There's a wall there, so you can't walk there. You can't walk there. So the only way to talk to him is right here. This world is too dangerous. Follow me. Says, look, perfect. All right, that's what I want. That's what you like to see. So if I get rid of this pause 30, will my character... Oh, I forgot to save. Sure, his name will be A as well. Can't save yet. Okay, fine. I can save now. Saving. Okay. All right. Let's go. No, that works. Okay. It's not quite what we want, but it's getting closer. We're certainly getting closer. Another Turtwig. Got Cynthia's battle music going on. Okay, let me look at this. It's unsafe. Wild Pokemon live in the tall grass. You need your own Pokemon for your own protection. I know. Here, come with me. Close on key press, pause 30. If call section 4 or section 5. I think if it was... It depends on where they were called from. Because he walks. Apply movement. 3. To NPC. Apply movement to NPC 3. Move player. Apply movement 3. Move player. So maybe it's maybe I use apply movement instead. Maybe it's... An unhandled error occurred. Please report it on Discord or open... Okay. Apply movement. Let's try that. Okay. Let's see what will happen with that. Okay. I just want to see what will happen if I do apply movement instead. Okay. But he ended up there. Okay, so let me do... Okay. So he has one less move or something like that. Let's do apply movement. I'm gonna do pause 30. See what that does. Okay. Alright, I gotta do the shiny hunt as well. Okay, not quite long enough. What if I do pause 60? Pause 60. Let's try that then. Okay. Let's try pause 61. Let's do pause 64. I feel like that might function a little bit better. There we go. That looks perfect. I think it's tick-based. Perfect. That's what I like to see. Okay. You want to play through a Pokemon game fast, right? You want to play through a Pokemon game fast, right? Okay. Let's look for another Turtwig. Get to 2420. Which is in the future. Almost 400 years in the future. Hey, no shiny Pokemon there. Okay. There we go. You want to play through a Pokemon game fast, right? I'll give you right. I have a route for you. It's called the Fire Emblem. How do you spell Fire Emblem? Fire Emblem. E-M-B-L-E-M. It's called the Fire Emblem route. Okay. And I have plenty of space to do this, right? Look, you want to play through a Pokemon game fast, right? I have a route for you. It's called the Fire Emblem route. Please. Please, step into my office. Okay. Save and play. Okay. If we go to here, this world is too dangerous. Follow me. Look, you want to play through a Pokemon game fast, right? I have a route for you. It's called the Fire Emblem route. Please, step into my office. Okay. Okay. So we're going to save that. And I'm going to play again. To follow him. You want to play through a Pokemon game fast, right? I have a route for you. It's called the Fire Emblem route. Please, step into my office. Okay. And I'm going to have him walk an additional 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. Okay. So he needs to walk left 8 more times. So it's 1, 2, so it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's look at this Turtwig now. It's my water. Go away, fly. Or gnat, or whatever you are, is. Okay. Not a shiny Turtwig. Okay. I'm kind of paying more attention to the coding than we are to the shiny on. But I mean, this coding's fun. Okay, so I need the player to walk down an additional time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And walk left 7 times. So walk left 7 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's see if this will work. This world's dangerous. Follow me. Okay. Alright, let's make a sign right here. We're gonna post that right here. We gotta put a script on it. So edit block. It's a signpost covered. Okay. Position. Okay. I remember doing this late before. I just can't remember how I did it. I just gotta remember how I did it, how to make a sign. I did it once, but I can't remember how I did it. Dang it. Okay, not a shiny. Okay, that's another reset Aruni. If I did miss the reset, please let me know. We also have 8 stream points for you guys to spend on anything you guys want. So signpost event. How do I add a signpost? drag to create a new warp, create a new script, signpost. Right there. And move that to here, okay. The office. Okay. Okay, there we go. I found it. I found it. Now, will that sign be there, or am I going to have to reset? The office. Yes! That worked. Let's go. Okay. Now, I need to add a warp. Wait, hold up. Undo that. Undo that. Undo the warp. Okay. I need to... Okay, let's... Alright, I'm back. I just finished eating breakfast. Nice, dude. Nice. Still haven't found a shiny yet. But we have made some progress on the introduction of this ROM hack. We added a signpost there, so I want to delete this. I want to copy this, put that there, copy this, put that there. Okay. Now I want to add a warp. Right there, and then I want to move the warp. Oh, okay. Delete warp. Okay. So we actually have to add the warp into this route. So right there. Right there. Okay. Okay. Now this warp. Okay, target bank map. So this right here. There, okay. To how? Okay. Not entirely sure how the warps work. This block's behavior doesn't allow warping. Create new map. Okay, well, let's go look for another Turtwig while we try and figure out this warping. I need to create new map for that, I think. I have the map ID correct. And everything. Not a shiny Turtwig. So that's another reset-a-rooney. Okay. Create new map. Maps are organized in banks. The game doesn't care, so you can use the banks however you like. Which map bank do you want to use for this new map? Like a 0? Okay, here we go. Well, let's do this. Hmm. Maybe we can get rid of those warps. Okay. Script, signpost, fly spot. Huh. Maybe it's not a warp I'm looking for? I don't know. Warp maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Unfortunately, it's not a turtwig. A shiny turtwig. That is a turtwig, just not a shiny turtwig. So it's not what we're looking for. Okay, there we go. 2,425 resets. Yeesh. How do I get this? That's my question. It's a warp. Okay. Create a new map. Try one. Maps organized in banks. The game doesn't care, so you can use the banks however you like. How do I get a tile that allows for warping? Because I want to create a house. How do I create a house? Okay, well, that's another reset. Because these right here are warp tiles. Maybe I have to put down a door. Yeah, I have to put down a door, I think. Okay. That works! It has to be on a door! Oh, that's kind of funny. Just a random door in the middle of nowhere. Create new map. Like Palatown, let's do this one. There we go. That is what I like to see. Okay. Okay. I want this setup right here. Put right there, except for right there. We'll do that. Okay. And I want to take this. Put it right there. There we go. Okay. Nah. I'll put a bookshelf there. Put a computer desk right. Wait, nah, let's undo that. Okay, turn trick time. Okay, not a shiny Turtwig. Okay. I think I'll probably do like 4-ish more resets, or 3-ish more resets. I don't know. We'll see, depending on how I'm feeling. There we go. I'm going to save. I'm going to play. I'm going to see how all this works. Look, you want to play through a Pokemon game fast, right? I have a route for you. It's called the Fire Emblem route. Please step into my office. I can't step on it. Okay. Uh-oh, it crashed. Let me just open it back up then. Okay, let's check out this Turtwig. We'll do 2 resets more after this. I want to see if I can figure out this warp a little bit better. Maybe that'll work. Crap, I didn't see if it was shiny or not. Give me a second. I didn't catch if it was shiny or not. I didn't catch if the Turtwig was shiny or not. I wasn't paying attention, I'm sorry. It doesn't look shiny to me. but I want to double check. Okay. Not shiny. Okay. I'm gonna open up this and this and this. There's another reset Rooney for you. Okay. I'm gonna save and we're gonna try and go from there. This is just the office. There it is! Here's the office! Let's go! I love that. That is cool. Maybe I can move this over. There we go. Let me save and play. Talk to the guy. Inside this, there's nothing. Look, you want to play through a Pokemon game fast, right? I have a route for you. It's called the Fire Emblem route. Please step into my office. The office. You have to go into Route 21 to go into the office, and there it is. Oh, it's so good. It's so janky, but it's so good. Hold up. Make it wall. That one and that one. There we go. Save and play through it again. And that is not a shiny Turtwig. Okay. One more reset to go. Still registering it as a trash can. I think if I reset, let me try resetting. Okay. Name is A. Green. No. Difficulty easy. Done and done. It does not matter. Okay, so it's the Kanto starters. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. You put that there. There we go. Normal. Okay. It's normal. Okay. Save. Try playing in. See, this is why we do testing, people. This is why we do testing. Perfect. So after I have him say, please step in my office, I gotta have him walk around and walk into his office. So, go to his script. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this at the bottom here. And then we're going to do this. Like there. Okay. Now I'm going to look at where he is. So he walks down to here. Okay, so he's going to walk down, right, down, 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 down. Down, right, down, 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 down. So he's going to walk down, walk right, walk down, 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 and then, so he's right here, so he walks down, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, and then up. So, left, then up. Then, walk left, and then walk up. Let's see if this works. So an NPC, can an NPC use a door like we can? Okay, we walk in. We do be walking. Look, you want to play through a Pokemon game fast, right? I have a route for you. It's called the Fire Emblem route. Please step into my office. No, he just stands on the door. Okay. I have an idea. Get rid of this for now. Okay. I'll move NPC 3. Walk in place fast up. I don't know. Okay. Well, we'll figure out how to get him to obey the laws of physics and go into there in a minute. I gotta figure out how to make him how to delete him. All right. This is the last reset. Do we get the shiny turtle today? Or do we have to wait for another week? Shiny turtle! No, unfortunately, we did not get a shiny starter today, but that's okay. We had a lot of fun today, and we got to 2,430 resets, which is pretty cool. So we're going to end the poll right there. End the poll. There we go. And that's it. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is the weekend. You guys can do it. You guys can make it. I believe in you. Tomorrow we'll be doing some Roblox. We'll see what Roblox games we can play. I got to look through them. And yeah. But anyways, hope you guys did enjoy it. As always, take care, everyone. Have an awesome, awesome day. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.